The Heytec 3/4-inch socket set comes in a waterproof plastic case. It consists of a ratchet, 3 extension bars, and 9 sockets. The case is very durable, and its rubber lining protects the tools inside from water ingress. This set is excellent for heavy vehicle and large machinery applications. The sockets range from 19 mm to 50 mm and are forged with the special saver profile design that prevents the rounding of nuts. The extension bars in this set also allows for work in inaccessible areas. The ratchet and sliding T-handle provide sufficient torque with a 100 mm extension. Work in tight spaces is also possible.